Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have got you another tutorial video, and in this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and add admins to your Facebook page. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just dive into our video. So if you want to do so, what you will gotta do is first of all go to your mobile phone and open your Facebook app. So once you open your app, you will see this kind of interface, right? So I'm currently logged in with my personal account, with my personal account right there. So what you will have to do is simply go ahead, tap on this profile icon with this three horizontal line, kind of menu icon, guys. Tap on it, and then you will simply switch to your page profile first. Simply go to your desired page where you would like to add admin, and then this page profile will open up here in your Facebook. So what you're going to do is again go ahead, tap on your profile icon right there, tap on the settings icon given, and tap on this page settings option first. Tap on it. Then you will simply go ahead and find this option called page access. Simply tap on that option, and as you can see, this kind of interface will open, right? So you can see it's people with Facebook access, so you will have to add a person right there. Tap on this add new option and tap on this next option and search the person you would like to add. Once you get that person, simply tap on that person's name, and then you will be able to get this kind of interface. So here you will allow this person to also have full control, so you have to make sure that you enable this. If you do not, then that person won't be able to have full access to your page right there. And then you will simply tap on this give access right there, and that person will get a request in their profile. They will confirm it and simply be able to be your admin right there. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time.